Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Nokia 9 PureView, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, first you need to open the settings and of course enable the battery saver mode. So just turn it on. Great. Then you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't use mobile data right now, disable it and use only Wi-Fi. And the other way, if you don't need Wi-Fi right now, disable it and use only mobile data. Disable the Bluetooth if you don't need to move data, to send data to other devices, or if you don't need to use Bluetooth devices like wireless headphones, for example. Disable newbie share and hotspot. And in this way you will keep your device in better condition. But if you will click on the pencil button, scroll down, then move location to the upper part of your screen, go back, and now you can disable location, and in this way you will save more battery life. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.